Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to explore the importance of root cause analysis and corrective actions in addressing customer feedback as outlined in ISO 10002, the International Standard for Customer Satisfaction, Guidelines for Complaints Handling in Organizations. Root cause analysis is crucial for organizations to identify the underlying reasons for customer complaints and implement effective corrective actions to prevent recurrence. Let's delve into how ISO 10002 guides organizations in conducting root cause analysis and corrective actions. Systematic investigation. ISO 10002 recommends conducting a systematic investigation to identify the root causes of customer complaints. This involves gathering relevant data, analyzing the information, and determining the underlying factors contributing to the complaint. Use of root cause analysis tools. Various tools and techniques can aid in root cause analysis, such as the 5 Whys techniques, fishbone diagrams, Pareto analysis, and fault tree analysis. These tools help organizations systematically identify causal factors and prioritize corrective actions. Cross-functional collaboration. Root cause analysis often requires input from multiple departments or teams within the organization. Cross-functional collaboration ensures that diverse perspectives are considered and that the root causes of the complaints are thoroughly investigated. Identifying corrective actions. Once the root causes of customer complaints are identified, organizations should develop and implement corrective actions to address these issues effectively. Corrective actions may include process improvements, employee training, policy changes, or product service enhancement. Monitoring and review. ISO 10002 emphasizes the importance of monitoring the effectiveness of corrective actions and reviewing their impact on customer satisfaction. Regular monitoring and review help ensure that corrective actions are implemented successfully and that desired outcomes are achieved. Benefits of root cause analysis and corrective actions. Conducting root cause analysis and implementing corrective actions offers numerous benefits. Prevention of recurring customer complaints, improved product service quality and reliability, enhanced customer satisfaction and loyalty, increased efficiency and effectiveness in complaint resolution. Continuous improvement and innovation. In conclusion, root cause analysis and corrective actions are essential components of effective customer feedback management, enabling organizations to identify underlying issues, address customer concerns, and drive continuous improvement. By following the principles and guidelines outlined in ISO 10002, organizations can establish robust processes for conducting root cause analysis and implementing corrective actions, leading to enhanced customer satisfaction and organizational success. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.